Okay guys, I am outside today in the Charlestown Navy Yard, and you'll see behind me we got the USS Constitution. I'm sorry about the wind, but it is pretty windy, but I had to get out of my house because I wasn't getting anything done. Like absolutely nothing. I was just sitting in front of my computer, just stuck, and I thought that I would maybe talk about the ways to get unstuck, or at least what I do. Number one is going for a walk. Bonus points if it's October. Here we go. Alongside number one is number two, which is taking my camera out and shooting. The lens I have right now isn't great in close quarters, so can't vlog with it, and also it can't actually take a picture of the full Constitution, so I have to use this camera for that, but that's fine. I just enjoying things that I don't do on a daily basis, even though I do this kind of on a weekly basis. Number three involves talking to people, which if you know me, you know I don't usually voluntarily do. I'm pretty introverted and I tend to kind of keep everything inside, all my frustrations, concerns, thoughts, literally everything, or I write them down. So it actually does sometimes, pretty rarely, but sometimes help to get on the phone, get on FaceTime and talk to family or a friend, maybe even get on Twitter and be like, hey, does anybody know a great way to do this, or a better, easier way to do this? Because, like, let's be real, work smarter, not harder. Lastly, I write things down. I have a bullet journal. I've had two now. I'm almost finished with the second one. I have to buy a new one. And I just write everything in it. I write my schedule, I write ideas, problems I'm having, my budget. Budget needs to go in the bullet journal. And it's just really helpful to write things down, because as I'm writing, sometimes I say, oh, well, I just solved that problem just by thinking about it, writing it down. It's too dark to really focus on me, but I hope that these helped you. Certainly helped me. I'm unstuck. I'm gonna go eat some dinner. I'll see you guys later.